to subscribe my channel and please hit the bell icon next to it so that you will always get notified when I upload any video and never miss it.
I believe in love, I believe in honesty.
Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Mystique Magic. So today I will do my full face makeup by only 5 products. So if you want to see, then keep on watching. But before I start my video, if you haven't subscribed my channel till now, then please subscribe it. And if you like this video, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and share with your friends. So without further ado, let's get started.
To make it easier to say that there's just one thing on my mind, and I think it's time for you to realize I want you all to myself. Don't wanna share you with nobody else. So give me something to believe
So yeah, that's all. This is my finished look. So hope you really enjoy watching this video, and if you like this video then don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and if you have any question do let me know in the comment box below. So thank you for watching. See you soon in my next video. Till then, bye and take care.